Hi, Jesse B here. So why a SUMIF array? If you have used SUMIF functions, you know it looks for one item in the range. But a SUMIF array can look for more than one item. If you look, it can look for 2, 3, or more items that you indicate. If you're not familiar with the SUMIF, watch my 3-minute video on the SUMIF. So here you can see that we have SUMIF and we have 3 ranges. The first range has to do with the customers, where the customer names are listed in our group here. Next, across from the customer's name is the range for the amount that each customer is being billed. So what we want to do, if you'll notice here at the top, we would like to do a SUMIF. In other words, sum the amount the customer needs to pay, and we're going to bill customer 2 and customer 4 today. It's their, most people every 30 days. So we're hitting 30 days for these 2 customers. So here at the top, we want to create that SUMIF. First thing we want to do is click in the formula bar up at the top. Remember, all arrays have to be done in the formula bar. So we type an equal SUMIF. Here we select first the range that has the customer names. Next, and notice here it says range, the range we're going to be looking at. And what are we going to be looking for in this range? Well, we're going to be looking for customer 2 and 4. So we select the 2 cells that have the customer name, and that takes care of our criteria, what we are looking for in the A7 to A26 range. Then a comma. Remember, your commas separate one part from another part, so we're leaving criteria when moving over to sum range. So where are the numbers we would like to sum if it matches customer 2 and 4? That would be, of course, the B column, B7 down to B26. We put our closed parentheses in there, and being that this is an array, all arrays end with Control-Shift-Enter. There you have it. The total we will be billing customer 2 and 4 today. Have a great day.